There's another shot, not so close to the bottom of that one part over there. House like right over there. Had a straight climb up the mountain. Can't see it, it's kind of a glare. Oh, you can't tell with all the trees in the way. I had a straight climb up the side of the mountain just like that. Get this fucking walk. On the little hiking thing, it said it was easy. Well, it was short, but it was like a straight fucking up the side of the fucking cliff kind of hike. Probably why. It's kind of funny how it says it's easy, it's short, and not too many people do it. What was the reason? Because it's straight up the hill. Whew. Kind of perfect.